everyone and welcome. So before we start learning the English language, we will be discussing the sounds of the 26 alphabets in the English language. It is very important to know the usage of these sounds as we speak. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment. The first alphabet in the English language is letter A. Letter A has three sounds, A, and E. Sound A is used in article A. For example, we say this is a pen. We don't say this is a pen. We say this is a pen. A sound is used in A for April, the month of April. Sound A as in apple or ant. Letter B. The sound of letter B is B. B as in ball. B as in book. Letter C. Letter C has two sounds, K and S. K as in cat. S as in city. Letter D. The sound of letter D is D. D as in doll. D as in dog. Letter E. The sound of letter E is A or E. It also has two sounds, A or E. A as in egg. E as in eagle. Letter F. The sound of letter F is F. F as in fish. F as in frog. Letter G. The sound of letter G is G. G as in grapes. G as in a guitar. The sound of letter H is H. H, H. H as in home. H as in house. The sound of letter I is A or E. A as in ink. Letter J. The sound of letter J is J. J as in jug. J as in a jar. Letter K. The sound of letter K is K. K as in king. K as in kite. Letter L. The sound of letter L is L. L as in lamp. L as in light. The sound of letter M is M. M as in mango. M as in moon. Letter N. The sound of letter N is N. It comes from the nose. N. N as in necklace. N as in nest. The sound of letter O is O or oo. Letter O has the same sound as it is pronounced, O. O as in orange. O as in octopus. Did you know orange is the name of the color and the name of the fruit as well? Moving on, letter P. The sound of letter P is P. P for parrot. P as in a potato. Letter Q. The sound of letter Q is K. It is almost the same as the sound of letter K. K. Q. K. K as in queen. K as in quilt. Letter R. The sound of letter R is R. R. R for rabbit. R as in rough. Letter S. The sound of letter S is S. Remember, the S sound is also for letter S as well as for letter C. But you have to know the difference from the spellings. So, the sound of letter S is S. S as in sun. S as in spoon. Letter T. The sound of letter T is T. T as in tomato. T as in table. Letter U. The sound of letter U is A. Remember, A is also the sound of letter A. A as in us. A as in umbrella. Remember, you have to keep a check on the sounds of these alphabets via their spellings. Moving on, letter V. The sound of letter V is V. V as in vase or vase. V as in voice. Letter W. The sound of letter W is V. Also the same sound of V. V as in watermelon. X. The sound of letter X is actually very unique and interesting. So the sound of letter X is either the letter X itself or X. X or X. X as in extra. X as in X-ray. Letter Y. The sound of letter Y is Y. Y as in yacht. Y as in yodel. Do you know what yodeling is?
You know, I don't just say smart things about science. I also yodel.
Sound familiar? So the last alphabet in the English language is letter Z. The sound of letter Z is Z. Z as in zebra. Z as in zero. So these were the sounds of the 26 alphabets in the English language. I hope it was clear to everyone. Now your homework is to practice these sounds so that in the next lesson you are more familiar with learning the English language. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more.